Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage, Yate today being Tuesday the 15th of October 2024. I'm trying to cut down on the stuff I'm buying again. I've got too much in stock, but I couldn't resist buying this one, even though I am 99.9% certain I've already done this kit in the past. But I saw it there and I bought it. Great Western Air Ambulance charity shop in Yate. I spent £4 on it. It's a wooden, I was going to say automata. You have to crank the handle to turn it. Makes that monkey there. I did have a quick look on my phone to check out my YouTube channel, trying to see if I could find it, because I am sure I've built it, but I couldn't find it. So I'll have a look now that we're home, and I'll put a link in the video description if I find where it is. Ideally, I'll see if I can motorize it. It'd be nice to make it solar powered, but the motorized unit that I've got needs too much power. It can't run off solar, or at least none of the solar panels that I've got give it enough current. Anyway, yeah, there you go. That's all I bought today, which is just a swell, because £4 is 4 times what I like to spend. Finished, or at least finished as far as I'm going to go at the moment. So I haven't put a pulley on here to put a motor on it to drive it. I'm not sure whether I will actually. I'm not particularly happy with the motion. It does work. I've had to adjust a few bits because some bits were too tight. And I'm not happy with the follower. It doesn't seem to be given the right motion. He doesn't seem to come down as far as he ought to. He goes up, It doesn't come down. So up, no problem, banana in his mouth, but it seems to go too far up. And then I would have thought it should have come down a little bit more. So we've got the action. But I think it should drop down a bit further. So I could spend more time adjusting bits and pieces. And as I say, I could put a pulley on here or a big gear and run it from a servo motor or some suitably geared motor. Because you don't want to go too fast, you want to go at this sort of rate. You don't want to be doing something like that. You want a nice gentle motion. But that took me far longer than I expected. I'll have to look back and see what the previous video was like.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.